Neil Williams here, president of Turnkey Parlor Ice Cream Equipment Superstore. Today we want to talk about the importance of changing blades, the beater blades on a Taylor machine or a Stolting or electrofreeze, whatever you have, okay? If you don't change the blades often enough, there's no exact time to change them, but it might be these Stolting blades here that you see last longer. They're more expensive, but they last longer. The Taylor blades are cheaper, but they last not quite as long as the Stolting blades. But every few months, you want to make sure that your blades are sharp, okay? And that they're scraping the cylinder inside. There's a freezing cylinder in there. And if these blades aren't sharp, they don't scrape the inside of the cylinder properly. And the beater keeps going, which gives, you have a domino principle of problems. This beater will keep spinning. The ice cream won't get cold enough. It won't tell the machine that it's gotten cold enough, so it won't stop the motor from running. You'll run more electricity. The product is going to be softer. It's just in general a problem. Whenever you have a technician come in, one of the first things the technician, if they're a good one, they change the blades and put brand new blades in there. That way they know if it's an actual problem, because it could be that you just need new blades. If you don't change the blades often enough, again, your motor is going to be running longer, costing you more money in utilities. And wearing on the motor. And eventually you're going to have to get a new motor or change the belts or just do a lot of other maintenance that you don't want to be doing, and you don't want to pay more in utilities. So don't get cheap on the blades. Make sure you change them often. Thank you.